The Red Bull foiling generation is about to bring young people into the foiling with multi-hulls. The concept is to launch an international race, having young people sailing in each country on the same type of boat against each other, where the age limit is between 16 and 20 years. And then all the winners can compete against each other in a world final.
It's a knockout series, 4 boats on the starting line. The 2 top boats goes in the next round. And at the end we have a final with 4 boats and the winner is the national champion. We start in Japan. After Japan we go to England, then to Italy, Sweden, Denmark, Russia and to France. These are the first 7 stops for 2015. So everybody can join in, can enter, but then we have to decide. Because the boat is very, very difficult to sail. You have to be already very good on the race course. The sailors has to be very athletic. This is very important for us because we have only 2 or 3 training days and then you're already on the race course. So racing must be already in your head. We are coming with the boats, so the skills and their athletic and their performance, their smart brain is enough to compete in the Red Bull foiling generation. Young sailors can come to the program, start in the Red Bull foiling generation, and then it continues with the Red Bull Youth America's Cup, with the Red Bull Extreme Sailing team, and at the end also with the America's Cup. We coach them, we're mentoring them, and we look for the best people in the world.